So this is exactly how to fix your Razer Audio app not working. So firstly, we need to close the Razer Audio app, and instead we're going to go to the settings app here, as you can see. So now in your settings app, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. So you need to make sure that your Bluetooth here is turned on, because if it's turned off right here, it's not gonna work. So make sure to turn it on here. There is one more thing we need to do as well, and that is to scroll all the way down here and then click on apps, as you can see. And then search apps and then search for audio here, you can see, and go to the official Razer Audio app here, and you can see it's gonna say wireless data. Make sure to put this on VLAN and mobile data right here, as you can see. And also what you can do is to go to the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. Search for Razer Audio here, as you can see. Scroll down and click on the app. If you can see a blue button here that says update, just click on the update button, because maybe you have like a new update that you need to be able to get, and that can also fix all of the bugs, just so you know. So try this, and hopefully now it's gonna be able to fix it for you as well.